In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your Wix website's URL. This is a simple process, but it's incredibly handy if you're looking to share your website with friends, clients, or on social media. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to open your Wix website in Chrome. You can do this by either accessing the preview mode directly through the Wix editor or by visiting your live site. Using Chrome as your browser is recommended because it supports a wide range of functionalities and is quite user-friendly. Once you've opened your website, take a moment to ensure everything appears as you want to present it. This is a great way to do a last-minute check, especially when using the preview mode to catch any typos or design issues before sharing it with the world. Now that your website is open, you'll need to focus your attention on the browser's address bar. This is usually located at the top of your window and contains the URL of your website. Go ahead and click on the address bar. This action will highlight the entire URL, making it ready to be copied. The address bar is an integral part of sharing your site because it holds the unique address everyone will need to reach your website. With the URL highlighted, the next thing you'll do is right-click your mouse. This brings up a context menu with several options. Here, you should see an option labeled Copy. Click on it. If you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, you can simply press Ctrl and C keys together on a Windows computer or CMD and C on a Mac. These shortcuts are designed to do the same job, placing the URL onto your computer's clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Once the URL is copied, you'll have the flexibility to share or paste it wherever you wish. Think about where you might want to share it. It could be in an email to a potential client, a social media update, or even in a message to a friend who's curious about your projects. To do this, navigate to the location where you want to paste the URL, right-click once more, and select the Paste option. Alternatively, use the Ctrl and V keys on Windows or CMD and V on Mac as a fast alternative. And there you have it. An effortless way to share your Wix site with others. It might seem basic, but it's a foundational skill for any website owner. This method allows you to easily promote your website and invite traffic, expanding your reach and growing your site's audience. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you wish to share your site again. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your online presence.